Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 22 symbol equations in that exercise 22b. So let's discuss homework answers first. Third question, sixth one, 3x plus 5 plus 2x plus 6 plus x equal to 4x plus 21. So on solving you will get x equal to 5. Okay. Now seventh question, 3.5x minus 9 minus 3 equal to x plus 1. So here you can bring together variables in one part. Okay, variables in one side and numbers on other side. In that way you can arrange the numbers. So 3.5x minus 9 minus 3. These numbers you can subtract because these are like terms or numbers there. So minus 9 minus 3 it is minus 12 equal to x plus 1. Okay. Now you can bring variables to one part and numbers to the other part. So let's bring this x from right side to left side. X means it is positive x. Okay. So positive value on transferring to other side it will become negative. So 3.5x, this x we are bringing to left side, so it will become minus x equal to 1. This minus 12 we can take to other side. Okay, so negative value on taking to the other side it will become positive. So minus 12 on taking to right side it will become plus 12. Now 3.5x minus x, it is 2.5x equal to, these are like terms so we can subtract. Now 1 plus 12 it is 13. Now here 2.5x means 2.5 into x equal to 13. So multiplication on taking to other side it will become division. Okay, so 2.5 into x, from that we are taking 2.5 to the other side. So it will become x equal to 13 divided by 2.5. Okay, multiplication on taking to other side it will become division. Now we can do 25 into, we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 10 since point after point one number is coming here. So you will get 130 by 25. Okay. Now 130 and 25 both will go in 5. Both are divisible by 5. So 130 divided by 5 it is 26. 25 divided by 5 it is 5. So we got 26 by 5. On dividing you will get 5 1 by 5. Okay, on converting to mixed fraction you will get 5 1 by 5 as the answer. Eighth question, 8x plus 6 plus 2x minus 4 equal to 4x plus 8. So here 8x, 2x, they are like terms so we can add that. 8x plus 2x it is 10x. Okay, next is 6 plus 6 minus 4. 6 and minus 4 is coming. It is plus 2. 6 minus 4 it is 2. Okay, equal to, on the right side it is 4x plus 8. Now here you can bring together the variables in one part and numbers in the other part. So 10x, this 4x you can take from right side to left side. 4x is positive, so positive on transferring to the other side it will become negative. Okay, so 4x on taking to left side it will become minus 4x. equal to 8. This plus 2 you can take to right side. Okay, so positive value on taking to other side, it will become negative. So plus 2 or positive 2 on taking to right side, it will become minus 2. Okay, now 10x minus 4x, it is 6x equal to 8 minus 2, it is 6. Now 6x means 6 into x equal to 6. Now from this you can take this 6 to other side. Okay, multiplication on taking to other side, it will become division. So x equal to 6 divided by 6. Okay, this 6 we take from left to right. So it will become 6 divided by 6. So that is equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is the answer. Ninth question, minus m plus 3m minus 6m, that is given in a bracket, equal to minus 8 minus 14. So here you have to remove or open this bracket first. Whenever there is a bracket, you should open it first. So before this bracket, it is positive sign, plus sign. So what is the rule? Whenever there is a positive sign before a bracket, no need to change the sign of terms inside the bracket. Okay, you can write the terms as it is, since it is plus sign before the bracket. So minus m, now plus 3m minus 6m equal to minus 8 minus 14. This one you can subtract. So what you will get? Minus 8 minus 14, it is minus 22. Okay, now minus m plus 3m minus 6m, all these are like terms, so you can add or subtract. So minus m means minus 1m, minus 1m plus 3m, it is this thing you will get at 2m. Okay, minus 1 plus 3, it is 2. So 2m minus 6m equal to minus 22. Now 2m minus 6m, that is 2 minus 6, it is minus 4. Now variable is m, so minus 4m equal to minus 22. Now minus 4m means minus 4 into m. From this you are taking minus 4 to other side. So multiplication on taking to other side, it will become division. So m equal to minus 22 divided by minus 4. Okay, now negative divided by negative, it is positive. Okay, so 22 by 4 you can write. Negative by negative, it is positive. Now both will go in 2, so you can write 11 by 2. 11 by 2 on converting to mixed fraction, you will get 5 1 by 2. So m equal to 5 1 by 2 is the answer. 10th question, 5x minus 14 equal to x minus 24 plus 4x, that is given in the bracket. So here first you need to open this bracket first. So you will get 5x minus 14 equal to x. Now here before the bracket, minus sign is coming. So whenever there is a minus sign before the bracket, you need to change the sign of terms inside the bracket. Okay, so here 24 means it is plus 24, that will become minus 24, plus 4x, that will become minus 4x. Okay, now you can bring together like terms in one part or variables in one part and numbers in other part. So 5x minus 14 equal to, before that we can subtract x minus 4x. Okay, x minus 4x, these are like terms, so that will become minus 3x. X minus 4x, it is minus 3x, minus 24. Now you can bring together like terms or variables in one part and numbers in other part. So 5x minus 3x you can take to left side, so that will become plus 3x. Negative term on taking to other side, it will become positive. Okay, equal to minus 24. Now this minus 14, it is minus 14 here, so that you can take from left to right. Okay, so negative value on taking to other side, it will become positive. So minus 14 will become plus 14 on taking to other side. Okay, now 5x plus 3x, it is, you can add because they are like terms, so it is 8x equal to minus 24 plus 14, it is minus 10. Okay, now here 8x equal to minus 10 means 8 into x equal to minus 10. From this you are taking 8 to other side. So multiplication on taking to other side, it will become division. So x equal to minus 10 divided by 8. Okay, 8 into x. From that you are taking 8 to other side, so it will become divided by 8. Okay, so 10 and 8, they will go in 2, so it will become minus 5 by 4. On converting to mixed fraction, it will become minus 1 by 4. Okay, so this is the answer, x equal to minus 1 by 4. Next, exercise 22C, solve. First question, 5 minus x equal to 3. So this is the question, 5 minus x equal to 3. You can use the method of transposition for solving this. So here 5 you can take to other side. Okay, so remaining here it will be minus x. Okay, don't write simply x. Here the sign of x in left side, it is minus x. Okay, minus x equal to this 5 you can take to other side, so that will become positive value on taking to other side, it will become negative. So 5 on taking to other side, it will become negative 5. So 3 minus 5 it will be. Okay, so minus x equal to 3 minus 5, it is minus 2. Now in both sides of the equation negative is coming, so you can cancel that. Okay, negative you can cancel. Okay, so x equal to 2. This is the answer. Okay, if negative value comes on both sides, minus x equal to minus 2. If like this comes means you can cancel negative from both sides and you can write x equal to 2. Okay. Second question, 2 minus y equal to 8. So here you can take this 2 from left side to right side. Okay, so remaining here it will be minus y. Don't write simply y. Sign of minus, here it is sign of y, here it is minus. So you should write minus y equal to 8. 2 you are taking to other side. Okay, so positive 2 it is. Positive value on taking to other side, it will become negative. So 8 minus 2 it will be. Okay, so minus y equal to 8 minus 2, it is 6. Okay, if minus y equal to 6, then y equal to minus 6. This minus you can take to other side. Okay, if minus y equal to 6, y value it will be minus 6. Here in this step you got minus y equal to 6. Okay, minus y equal to 6. Actually this means minus 1y equal to 6. Okay, minus 1y means minus 1 into y equal to 6. Now we are taking this minus 1 to other side. So you will get y equal to 6 by minus 1. Multiplication on taking to other side, it will become division. So 6 by minus 1 you will get minus 6. Okay, in that way you got y equal to minus 6 here. Okay, if minus y equal to 6, y equal to minus 6. But no need to write all these questions, you can simply write. If minus y equal to 6, y equal to minus 6. Like that. If minus x equal to 5, x will be equal to minus 5. If minus z equal to 2, then z equal to minus 2, etc. Third question, 8.4 minus x equal to minus 2. So here you can take this 8.4 to other side. So in the left side it will be minus x. Don't write it simply x, it is minus x. The sign of x, it is minus. So minus x equal to minus 2. 8.4 means it is positive 8.4. So positive value on taking to other side, it will become negative. So 8.4 will become minus 8.4. Now minus x equal to minus 2 minus 8.4, it is minus 10.4. So minus x equal to minus 10.4. Here both sides minus is coming, so you can cancel these two minus. So what will be the value of x? X equal to 10.4. This is the answer. Do the fourth and fifth question as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.